you have all these different things going on.
Mm-hmm.
How do we go by putting all these pieces of this whole spider web, putting
Mm-hmm.
everything together and getting that focus in those areas?
I love how you visually described it as a web. So for anybody listening, if you don't like the term web, then just choose your own visual pattern. It could be clouds in the sky. It could be sticky notes on a wall, but I want you to actually picture and visualize all these different parts of your life. And if it helps you, bring it out of your mind and into the physical world. So draw that web on a sheet of paper or put the sticky notes on a wall and start labeling all these different parts of your life. So the relationships you just mentioned, husband, wife, father, daughter, sister, and also the relationships that you have at work. You'll have that off to the side as well because you need to address those.
Right.
And within the 24 hours that you have in each and every day, how do you want to spend your hours on this earth?
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's really important. And this might sound crazy at first, but it's really important that you include sleep as your first item on your schedule, because everything that we do with our lives is based on the decisions that we make. If we are sleep deprived, we are not going to make good decisions about anything: time, money, relationships, nothing. So it's really important you get your sleep scheduled first, at least 7 hours. And 7 from 24 is 17. I'm not really great at math, but I'm pretty sure that's the correct number that's left. So now we have 17 waking hours in the day. How do you want to use that time? Do you want to spend it on social media? Do you want to spend 3 hours on there throughout the day? Is that nourishment for you? Or would you rather spend that 3 hours of quality time with different people in your life? If you're working 8 out of those 17 hours, and then you have another hour of commute, you can see how your hours for personal time begin to shrink. And that's why it is that much more important to decide what will you do with your time outside of work.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Make those minutes count.
Yeah.